I'm just going to make a quick video for those of you that need to do what I had to do, and I had to find a lot of this information in several different parts. So I've got a 42 RE Jeep, or even maybe Dodge, transmission here, going into a 2002 Jeep Grand Cherokee. I needed to replace the transmission oil pump. This is the replaced pump here. This is the one I pulled out right here. This is a remanufactured unit. I ordered online somewhere in Chicago. Total Transmission Chicago. I got it off of eBay. It came with everything already pre-assembled, with all the new washers and seals and everything, except for the back seal, which actually just like this. So this is the old seal, the old pump here. Got the new pump in. So two tricky spots, well maybe three tricky spots. First off, before you remove it, there's this adjustment screw right here. You back this nut off and tighten this all the way in here with the Torx. Get that in, that bands that first clutch in there that gives you second gear when it closes down on it. But while you pull it out, you want to make sure that that's as tight as it goes. And then you can start pulling this out. There's 6 bolts here. These are 1/2 inch. Once you get those out, there are a couple holes, as you can see on my old pump. You see some threads in the pump. Those threads are, what I used was a 3/8 inch bolt, so 3/8 size bolt, and the pitch on that was 16. I just used these regular bolts right here. These I think are 1.5 inches long. I'm going to pull another one here for you guys and show you how it's done. I've already tightened this all the way down. That'll need to be readjusted once it's done. So I've put these bolts in there. What I've got is a slide hammer that I rented from an auto parts store. What we're going to do, we're going to go back and forth on these bolts. So I've got a good view set up here for you guys. So what I'm going to do is go back and forth, got a hook attached on my slide hammer. And what we're going to do, now that I've got the bolts out and tightened, and these bolts in, and my slide hammer ready, I'm just going to put the hook on the end of the bolt here and slide it in. Okay, so just been going back and forth on these bolts I put in. 3/8, 16 pitch, 1.5 inch long, back and forth. 42 RE Grand Cherokee 4.0. There she goes. So there's our old gasket. As far as I know, this pump's okay. So I'm going to put it in a safe place. Before you put the pump in, actually, I took a little bit of assembly lube and put that in around the rim on this face, the circular face here, all the way around where that pump is going to make contact. One other thing, when you're putting the new pump in, putting it in, what I did is I put the gasket on there, dry, you don't need to get that wet at all, and I put these in there. So I went over to Fastenal, and I got these little buggers here. 5/16 is the bolt size, 18 is the pitch, 2 is the length. So 2-inch long, 18 thread, 5/16 bolts. I just put them right in here and used my cutter. Took the heads off those suckers. Started threading them in into a couple bolt holes here. Yeah, I just put these, 2 of them, across from each other to make sure that pump went in straight. The pump and the holes are clocked, and then you just slid it in over those bolts with the heads cut off that you put in there, just so it lines up properly. And what I did, because it doesn't really, it's pretty snug, it doesn't go in there easy, I just took a little block of wood and then went around the rim. Rubber mallet, not too tough, just kind of gently. Didn't really see how else it was going to go in there, so she's in, she's done. So make sure your transmission is lining up real good. Don't try to force it in there. If you put it down, you don't have an engine hoist, put a jack underneath your engine, jack it up a little bit so it can mount right in there. I was a dumbass, not knowing what I was doing. Thought maybe the exhaust mount was in the way, and I used some ratchet straps to try to ratchet into place. Well, it turns out my torque converter wasn't in all the way. So make sure when you put your torque converter into this hub here that you got 1/2 inch in between the back of the torque converter and this bell housing mating surface. It wasn't going in for me any further, any easier, so I thought it was in all the way. It was maybe flush with it, maybe out a little bit. So what happened when I tried to force this transmission onto the engine mount, it put a lot of pressure on that pump, which is very bad for them. So don't do that. If you have any questions, let me know. Thanks.